In this video, I will show you how to transform your messy Google Drive into a perfectly organized workspace using the power of Claude AI. Most of us have a drive filled with random invoices, unnamed design mockups, and scattered meeting notes that make finding anything a total nightmare. The first thing you need to do is open your Google Drive and take a good look at your current mess. You do not need to move anything yet. Simply list out the types of files you have or copy the names of your main folders into a text document. Once you have that list, you are going to head over to Claude and use a very specific prompt to get the best results. Tell Claude to act as an expert digital asset manager and explain that you have a messy drive with specific categories like raw client images and financial sheets. Ask Claude to create a highly logical and nested 3-tier folder structure specifically tailored to your type of work, such as a freelance design business. It is also vital to ask for a clear naming convention for both your folders and individual files using consistent dates or prefixes. Claude will then generate a complete blueprint that shows you exactly where every file should go. You can then follow this map to rename your files and drag them into their new homes. This simple process turns hours of manual sorting into a few minutes of strategic planning. By using this AI-driven structure, you will save time every single day and finally stop losing important documents. Thank you for watching this guide and enjoy your brand new organized digital life.